Hello, my name is Emetherio, but you can call me Rio. This is going to be my 14th week summary and my last week, unfortunately. So let's begin. So for this week, Thursday class was canceled because of Thanksgiving, and I hope you all had a great day or use that day to advantage. Um, so we only had one day, and during that day we attempt reverse engineering, and we learn what transformers were, and not the Autobots ones, actual transformers used within the world to actually easily transfer high voltage to a neighborhood. So for the reverse engineering part of the class, we were given well a port lamp that doesn't need to be plugged in; it can just be put into the ground, and we were without even opening it. Ignore the second half of these pictures. We were supposed to figure out how it works with our ingenuity. It was a good experience to test our brains. My prediction was partially right. Um, how it was solar powered, or that could be something we could explore more into. Now for the transformers, though. So transformers are static electric devices that transfer electrical energy between two or more circuits. This is done by passing current through an inductor, which is represented by these numerous current wires. um, of one conductor that is close to another inductor that is near the first inductor and in part of a different circuit. So our setup was that we flew we put one battery through we connect one battery through an inductor, and as current flows through it, we measure the change in voltage occurring within the other series of wires. From it, we did notice that there was a increase change in voltage. When it happened, when we stopped the voltage though for the first circuit, the other circuit will stop too, showing that a movement of electrons actually affects the electric field around it, influencing the electrons within another circuit that doesn't even have a cell in it. We related that the voltage in the primary circuit divided by the voltage in the secondary circuit should equal the number of coils in the primary circuit divided by the number of coils in the secondary circuit. That's what we did today. Not today. That's what we learned within this week. Other than that, we from transfer these written notes to that, there's nothing else. Concluding this weekly summary.